everyone, I'm Varsha, your virtual assistant from Vigro Solutions. I'm here to lend you a helping hand to manage all your business-related tasks. Wondering how? Then here's an example of how we helped one of our clients by providing travel planning assistance services. Our client is a startup consulting firm in California, US, serving global corporate customers. With a growing demand for the service across the globe, they started facing challenges in effectively managing international travel for their team. The challenge involved managing time to make reservations and plan itineraries, handling sophisticated tools and apps for travel booking and correspondence, and optimizing the travel planning expense and reducing travel costs considerably. The client needed a reliable partner who could provide a comprehensive travel planning service, simultaneously helping them save both time and money invested in the activity. Therefore, we collaborated with the client to acquire insights on their existing travel planning process. Our team helped the client find the right fit for the tasks with the best skills in the industry. Our VA experts have experience in handling travel planning and assistance for corporate clients with the expertise in standard business and travel planning tools. Tasks we handled for our client were managing reservations. Whether it was for a single employee or a team business travel, we managed all the reservations for flights, hotels, cabs, and food availability, setting up meeting locations and booking conference rooms. We did a thorough research on the available best plans and provided the client options to choose from based on their specific needs. Itinerary planning. We helped plan the travel itinerary for the entire trip. We arranged official meetings and automated the process of sending updates to the travelers. We also updated the client with crucial information, including confirmation of phone numbers, addresses, and other booking details. Managing impromptu plans. We handled sudden change in travel plans due to unavoidable reasons and rescheduled it for the client. In case of delay in the travel, lost items, or sudden change in the official meeting, we found suitable alternatives without disturbing the travel flow. 24/7 customer support. The call center support was available round the clock for the traveler to help them handle challenges of the new location and in case if any changes were needed on the go. Travel budget management. Though traveling cost is an expensive investment for any business, a well-managed travel plan can yield a good return on investment. By collecting the data on every corporate trip and analyzing the value over time, we assisted the client to make well-informed travel planning decisions to optimize their travel expenses. The client also saved travel expenses by up to 60% with our services. They also optimized their entire travel planning expenses. If you would like to have such hassle-free services for your business, hire a Vigro virtual assistant now. Also, ask for a 1-week free trial.